Welcome to my house. Well done. Yeah. Suspended. Suspended, brother. Suspended. Bismillah, sir. Bismillah. Yeah. Sorry, sir. You have to move back a bit.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, going too close. Alhamdulillah. Well done. Well done. Hey, what's his English? Marisa. What's his English? Get seated. Get seated. Get seated. Nigeria. Me, today is my 28th day.